Hey guys, this is the latest paint art by chart kit that I've completed. This is from Diamond Shop. As you see, it's got the canvas with the codes on the actual picture. They're all very easy to see, and the spaces are not so close together, so I'm assuming it's a lot easier than the ones I've done before. I've got the paint in here. There are a total of 24 colors for this painting. It's 30 by 30 cm. And I've got my brushes. So pretty much I started this around 11 a.m. yesterday, and then I finished it before 11 p.m. the same day. So the painting is called Don't Hold Back, and it's by our German artist LIOBA BRÜCKNER, who's part of the Diamond Shop Artist Collective. So one thing that I find useful when I'm filming these time lapses is to make sure that I put a tape onto the sides or corners of the canvas. Just that way it doesn't move about and get caught in my elbow, and then it kind of messes up the frame. So I started with the eyes, and once again, for every purchase of diamond paintings, also known as diamond art, or paint art, such as this, otherwise known as paint by numbers, we give royalties to the artist who we've licensed it with. So, for example, every single purchase of these paint art kits, the artist LIOBA BRÜCKNER will actually be receiving monthly income. And this is part of our effort to really be able to help artists, sustain some sort of income during even pandemic times, so that they can continue creating beautiful images, beautiful artwork that we as hobbyists can enjoy in recreating as diamond paintings or paint by numbers. So this is a 30 by 30 cm. I decided just to start with the eyes somehow. I know that some artists do that. They like to start with the eyes. I find that really difficult. I can't imagine doing that on an actual drawing or painting, but I'm pretty sure, that takes some practice to perfect. But like with anything else, perfection can be achieved with enough dedication and practice. But for us who may not have enough time to practice, or don't necessarily have the skill to be able to create beautiful images such as this one by LIOBA BRÜCKNER, we can definitely recreate an image just like it and just as beautiful with the help of a coded canvas in this way of how you see I'm creating her face right now, simply by following a code. So basically, if you've never heard of paint by numbers before, you get a canvas and it has numbers which are codes on the canvas, and then you simply look for the matching code onto your tubs of paint, and you basically color according to code. So it's literally a coloring book for adults. So this is an easy on the difficulty scale, so I would highly recommend that you guys check this out if you've never tried paint by numbers before, as it's going to be very stress-free, and you're going to find it not as challenging as some of the ones that I've completed in the past. And here is before and after. 50% is completed, and finally after it was done. So I would say I probably completed this in maybe about 10 hours, which is pretty much a whole day. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet, subscribe to my channel so that you can check out more DIY crafting stuff like this. And also, if you'd like to check out our shop, it's DIYmonshop.com. Subscribe to that channel as well. DIYmoon Shop. See you later. Bye.